Good morning and welcome to today's Moment of Clarity. Have you ever thought about what's inside of you and how that determines the output that you have and what people get from you? There was a really great story, I believe it was by Stephen Covey, and what he talked about is an orange. And if he is to squeeze an orange, what's going to come out of that orange is orange juice. It's not going to drain milk, water, tea, coffee. It's going to have orange juice because that's what's inside of it. So we need to start thinking about what's inside of us too, because that's what's going to come out of us. So are we filled with anger, resentment, sadness, bitterness, jealousy? Or are we going to choose to be filled with gratitude and love and abundance and kindness and strength? Make sure that you are coming from a place and you are filling yourself up with the right things inside. Because your happiness, your success, your ability to connect with others, it's all an inside job. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time for our Moment of Clarity.